Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to save mobile data while using the Messenger app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable the Data Saver feature in Messenger. This will help reduce data usage and keep your internet bill lower. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the menu icon. Then, scroll down the menu and tap on Settings. After that, continue scrolling until you find the Data Saver option. Finally, tap on Data Saver and switch the toggle to the on position. Now the Data Saver mode is active and Messenger will use less data while you chat or send media. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to enable Data Saver in Messenger. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more easy tutorials and tips to improve your mobile experience.